Okay, so today we're going to be talking about starting with the graph and ending up with an equation. So if we look at this graph, first thing it's asking us here is to find out what the slope is. Well, the slope is a change of 3 over 4, so that means we're going to have a 4 here. For the x part and the y, we're going to look at the vertex. The vertex is at 6, 2. So we know the x has to go the opposite way, so we're going to get x minus 6. Y goes the same way, plus 2. The transformations here are right 6, up 2, and it's wider because we have a slope of 3/4. So that's what we have to look at on that. So you're going to be an inquirer and be able to write absolute value equations by describing the transformations and then writing the equation given the graph. So let's look at this one. Our vertex is at 2, 3, and our slope, up 1 over 1, is 1. So the equation is x minus 2, because it's the opposite direction, plus 3. Now, when we have to find f of 2, all we have to really do is look on the graph. So when x is 2, y is 3. When x is 0, y is 5. When x is 4, y, follow it up here, is 5. So that's all we have to do to find the function value. Because remember, the function value of a particular x is the value of y on the graph. So let's go look at this one. The vertex is at -3, -4. The slope is still 1, up 1 over 1. So this is going to be x plus 3 minus 4. Checking out our values. F of 2. F of 2 is 1. F of -4 is -3. F of -1 is -2. So that's all you have to do on those. So let's look at this one. Vertex is at 1, -4. Slope, up 1 over 2. So that means our slope is 1/2. So 1/2, slope goes in front. X minus 1, x goes the opposite way, minus 4. All right. F of 1, -4. F of 3, look at 3, go down, I'm at -3. F of -1, -1, -3. There's my values. All right, same idea. Oh wait, this one opens down. So my slope's going to be negative. It opens down. Let's count the slope. Down 2 over 3. So that means it's going to be a -2/3. Vertex is at 3, 4. So x goes the opposite way, -3. Y goes the same way, +4. All right, now let's find these values. F of 0 is 2. F of -3, oh, that's easy, that's 0. F of 3 is 4. That's how we solve those. All right, so let's look at this one. Vertex is at 4, -3. It opens up, so I'm going to have a positive slope. The slope is up 1 over 1. Slope is a +1. So I write my equation. Y is equal to the slope. I don't have to write the 1. The x shifted 4 to the right, so it's going to be x minus 4. The y went down 3, minus 3. So the shifts were right 4, down 3, and it's a normal graph because the slope was 1. All right, here's another one. Okay, my slope's going to be negative. So slope is down 1, 2 over 3. So that's a negative 2/3. The vertex is at 1, 3. So this is going to be y is equal to negative 2/3, absolute value of x minus 1 plus 3. What were the shifts? Right 1, up 3, wide, because the slope is a fraction. Okay, same idea here. Vertex is at negative 3, negative 2. Slope, up 1 over 3, so that's a 1/3. Shifts, left 3, down 2, wide. So y is equal to 1/3 x plus 3 minus 2. That's how we write the equation. Last one. It shifted. Oh, it only went up 4, and it's narrow. What's my slope? Let's see. Down 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. So that's going to be a negative 4 over 1, or a negative 4, because that's opening down. So we'll write that down. Opens down. All right, so y is equal to the slope, absolute value of x. Well, it didn't move, so x is just going to be x. And then the y value is plus 4. That's how you do the equations from the graph. So now it's your turn. You have problems to do on the worksheet. You can work in your group. The answers are up with the learning intentions and success criteria, so you can check your answers. Everybody get this done, and I will see you tomorrow.